Do you want to be more confident in school? Let's tackle this together. We all know how crucial confidence is in our school life. It's not just about acing your exams or presentations, it's about cultivating positive relationships, being comfortable in your own skin, and navigating the school environment with ease. In this video, we'll break down some easy, actionable steps that can guide you towards becoming more confident. So, are you ready to change the game? Stay tuned if you want to transform your school life with newfound confidence. But first, understand what confidence truly means. It's a word we often throw around, but do we truly grasp its essence? Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room or always having the right answers. It's not about an inflated ego or a sense of superiority. No, confidence is about being comfortable with who you are, embracing your uniqueness and accepting your strengths and weaknesses. You see, everyone has strengths and everyone has weaknesses. Confidence is about recognizing these and still choosing to love and accept ourselves. It's about knowing we're enough just as we are, and not needing external validation to feel worthy. Moreover, there's a concept called self-efficacy that plays a crucial role in confidence. It's our belief in our abilities to accomplish tasks and achieve goals. When we believe in ourselves, we naturally exude confidence. Now that we have a clear understanding of confidence, it's time to learn how to boost it. Ready to become more confident? Here are some practical steps you can take. Firstly, set realistic goals. It's not about becoming the best overnight, but about making progress step by step. Celebrate each small victory to keep your motivation high. Secondly, practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I'll give it my best shot." Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep can do wonders for your confidence. Next, keep learning new skills. Each new thing you learn adds to your self-worth and confidence. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek support when needed. It's okay to ask for help, to talk about your insecurities. You're not alone in this journey. Remember, confidence doesn't grow overnight, it's a process, but with these steps you're on the right track. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Understanding confidence is crucial. It's not just about being loud or outspoken, but feeling comfortable in your own skin. We've explored actionable steps to boost confidence, from embracing your individuality to practicing self-affirmation and continually learning. Remember, nobody's perfect, and it's okay to make mistakes. Embrace your journey to confidence and watch as it transforms your school experience. Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence comes from within.